If you're looking to upgrade your veggie prep game, look no further than this 7-inch Nakiri knife from Cutluxe. This is part of their Artisan series, and this is an absolute workhorse. Specifically designed for cutting and slicing your veggies, it is amazing. Let's take a look at it. The packaging is absolutely phenomenal and ridiculously cool. Look at this knife. Wow. This blade is incredibly sharp. First off, this blade is amazing, made out of high carbon steel and is razor sharp right out of the box. This will slice through your vegetables like butter. That high carbon stainless steel is also great for holding an edge so you're not continually having to sharpen it. I love the Nakiri's shape. The flat edge is perfect for chopping vegetables. The blade itself has a little bit of curve to it, so it's great for that rocking motion to mince things up. But again, it still has that large size, so if you need to cut up a cabbage or something like that, this thing's gonna slice it to hell. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, this Cutluxe Nakiri knife is a valuable addition to your kitchen arsenal. It's beautiful, it's functional, and it will definitely improve your vegetable prep. It is a joy, not a chore anymore. I can't believe just how sharp this thing is. It is crazy. So if you're serious about your culinary skills, this knife deserves a spot in your knife block. That's for sure. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.